Monday.com notification tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you about the notification tutorials in Monday.com. So if you don't know yet, Monday.com is work management tools that lets you have a workspace so that you can manage all your data, all your tasks, all your details, and also you can monitor your employees and others. So yeah, let's get started. So this is Monday.com dashboard. As you can see in the left side here, there is the workspace. I have three workspaces here, and you can just the workspace you want. You can also add item to workspace, or you can create a new workspace. And for the notification, you can go to your, uh, top side here, and as you can see, there is notification tab here. You can click it, and these are the notification tab. So it's all for your all notification, and for the mention is the only mention notification, and assigned to me is the for your assignment. So if someone in the board on the or the projects mention you, it will appears in here, so you will see the mention here. Or your boss or your manager assign you something, you will find it here. So yeah, and if you want to go to setting here, you can change the notification settings. So for mention me, you can choose if you want to get the notification to emails also or not. You can checklist or uncheck it. Also for the wrote an update or wrote an or reply and others assign me, you can choose if you want to get the notification in monday.com web or an email. You can check and uncheck it. It's very easy to manage your notification. You can read it, the details. And yes, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.